welcome back to Style of Substance and welcome to my new handbag reveal. If you guys have been keeping up with the vlogs, you'll know that I went to Bicester Village. I don't know when you'll see this, but probably a couple of weekends back, and I treated myself to a pre-30th birthday present. So went around all the stores but knew I wanted to make one big purchase as a present to myself. So I went into Mulberry and picked me up a new handbag. Now, if you've watched my last haul, you will have seen that I had picked this up in another colour, but ended up not liking it and decided to go for a different hue. So I will show you the one that I ended up with finally. So it comes in this big Mulberry bag here, receipts, and they kindly wrapped it with some tissue paper. But what I'm going to do is take out the dust bag. So it comes in this Mulberry England dust bag, which has a little black drawstring there, but I'm not going to get into all of that. I'm just going to get straight into handbag reveal. I'm going to take this wrapping off just to not ruin the effect. I went for the classic Bayswater in the gorgeous oxblood colour. So I'm going to take these off just so you can get a good look at her. But yeah, she looks like this. It's got the classic turnkey lock. Open that up to reveal more paper. But a gorgeous suede, sort of oxblood suede lining on the inside. And it features the wings, which is part of the new design. I believe the creative director for this was somebody from Celine, so looks like that. And at the back it was £8.95, which is I believe the Bicester Village price. I'm not sure what it retails for normally, probably about the same, but it's in this croc print. And yeah, it just looks like that on the inside. Loads of stuffing, which I'll leave in for now because I'm gonna transport this home. But yeah, this is my new birthday present to myself, which I will be rocking today with my new Burberry poncho. So my outfit of the day is gonna be a little something like this. Go boom. And boom. See the vibe, right? So yeah, did quite a bit of damage. I also picked up some replacements for some things that I've got. So I took the leggings that I bought back from Calvin Klein and instead picked up some pants and added onto that a black bralette, along with the grey one that I already had. And then I popped into the cosmetics company store, which basically does everything from candles, makeup, beauty, skincare, all of that stuff, fragrances. Went in there and I picked up the Glam Glow Youth Mud, which is really, really good for clearing the skin. And the reason why I went in there is because I saw they had a Jo Malone counter, and I picked up the Basil and Neroli cologne in this is the 100 mils. Normally this is £80, but the Bicester Village price is £67.50. So I wanted, obviously, English Pear and Freesia is like my normal scent, but this was a bit different, and I've heard great things about it. So this is my scent for the day. There we go. So that is everything that I picked up. I'm going to pack up this room as I'm still staying at the McDonald Randolph in Oxford. Had a great night here, and I would definitely recommend it, but I'd probably say you want to sleep on the top floor if you don't want to hear all of the noise from people upstairs sort of walking around. The walls are very thin.